Memelas are like a small tortillas with filling on the top, and they are from Oaxaca City. You have your corn flour, and the only thing you add is water until you make a Play-Doh texture. Grab a little bowl, couple pieces of plastic. You don't need a tortilla press. Put it in the middle. You put another plastic on the top. With a simple plate, you press that. Even your kids can do that with you. You put it in a medium heat pan, no oil. I want to make 2. That's okay? It's very easy. You know, everybody can do this. Little black spots is when your memela is ready. We will use verdolagas. Some people they call pigweed. Everybody has this in the garden. And most of the people, they throw it away because they don't know how to use it. Cut the roots, wash it very well, boil it in a little bit of water with salt and a little bit of onion and garlic. You see how this is nice and fluffy? You can see it has a little brown spots. And with your thumbs, you make a little pinches around the shell, and you will have something like that. It's ready to put the filling on the top. You can use any kind of filling you want. I have some chicken here, verdolagas, refried beans. The only thing you have to do is you put the refried beans, you put some chicken on the top, you put some salsa, green onions, cheese. This is the final plate. Like they are done and ready to enjoy. It's very easy, it's very healthy, and I think everybody can do it.